Sunday afternoon. It's winter tire time. So thank you to the commenter who pointed out that I forgot to set the emergency brake, parking brake, whatever you'd like to call it, the last time I changed the tires. So we have done that this time. On the advice of various neighbors who have been doing this a lot longer than I am, they suggested I rotate the tires in an X pattern. So we will do that. And yeah, well, let's get into it. Get our tools together. Tools. This guy? No, not that guy. It's not it. Oh, there we go. Forgot which thing it was. Rear left, front right. Front left, right. Front right, rear left. Front left, rear right. Try that again. Front right, rear left. Process elimination. Dead needles. Bonus. Not the bonus I ever wanted. I guess you'd call it that. There. Now, this year we're going to be a little smarter. We're going to label our tires before we take them off. Use masking tape. Walking on my roof. Crows, I'm guessing. Tell it's a little chilly because I am wearing a jacket, which is rare for me. Alright. Let's put on some podcast and get cracking. That's dirtier. Knees are definitely dirtier. Need to clean the garage. But tires are on, rotated as per the advice of my various neighbors. Growing up in the US, we just had all-season tires everywhere that I lived. Some people would put chains on if they needed to, but that was about it. So anyway, it's early afternoon on a lovely sunny Sunday, but that weather's not going to last. Starting tomorrow, we're going to get rain. We might even get some sleet or snow. 3 days below freezing, which is why we went crazy recently harvesting the majority of the peppers. So sale coming soon on the website. But thank you all for watching. Please do give us a like and a subscribe if you enjoyed this. It really helps us out, helps us be seen, helps us grow. And come back and join us again soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.